Hey, Grant here, and welcome. Today I'm showing you a bowling shirt by Hardaddy. I'd like to thank Hardaddy for sending this to me to do the video. Okay, first of all, I'm 200 pounds, about 6 foot. This is an extra large shirt, so I give you an idea of what you may need to order according to your size. It is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I love the feel of that combination of materials. For some reason, it feels very comfortable to me, very lightweight, very slick feeling, but I really like it. Our seams on our shoulders are well out on the end of the shoulder, so there's no restriction. Feels nice and loose. My collar, there's no rubbing on my collar, it doesn't feel too tight. We have buttons all the way down the front of this, and we have one pocket on the front. Raise my arms, no belly showing, so I like the length of the shirt. Also like the length of the sleeves. Let me show around, turn around here so you can see the back and how it falls. All in all, I really like this shirt. It's a nice bowling shirt by Hardaddy. I'll be wearing it quite a bit. I hope this helps. Hope to see you again.